Today's unboxing. The fingers are back. I need a knife to cut this one open, or a pencil, or something sharp object, which I don't got right now. But Caesar came in. This is once again one of my wife's order, and she always wants me to unbox everything. So, here we go. Ugh. Nothing better to open a package that's not for you. And she will not tell me what's inside it. So it's always a surprise for me. And apparently, there is paper a lot. Oh my God, what do we got in this one? Vitamins. We apparently cannot get enough of those in those times here. And whatever this is.
Skin cream for eczema.
What is it,
Skin cream if you get some damages in your skin.
Oh, that's so nice.
Like if you got eczema, red
But
spots.
it's a very small one. Maybe you need a bigger one. Okay, that's very nice.
It's still a testing though, if I can.
It's still a testing. Okay, it's a testing. And then we got Green Pharmacy. And what that is, I don't know. But it comes with this very nice wrapped around, very weird way of doing this. So with an elastic band here, and then you can read all about it.
I think it's a shampoo or conditioner, I'm not sure.
Okay, shampoo, conditioner, whatever. That's for your hair, not mine. So, is it expensive?
No.
That's all I'm thinking. It look at Green Pharmacy sound expensive. Everything start with green is always expensive. Organic, then the price goes up.
19.
And there's one more of those. Comes wrapped in a plastic. Same way.
Shampoo, then you don't. This one.
And this is a balsam.
Conditioner.
I know it's a conditioner.
Yeah, but people don't know what it is.
Okay, it's a conditioner. And is this also a test to see if you can get beautiful hair like me?
No, it's 19 kroner, so it's cheap.
It's 90 kroner, so it's
19.
okay. Away the box went. And here, there's a flat iron. So I will have straight hair one of those days. It's my biggest dream ever to have flat hair. What is it called?
Straight hair.
Straight hair.
No, because I got something like that before, but I lost it in Philippines. I think. We
No, you didn't
forgot
lose it. You forget it.
Yeah, we forgot it there.
Yeah. So
Like-
that's how you are with your things. You don't take care of.
This one is also cheap, actually, just 70 kroner. And the normal prices, if you buy it in store, it's like 100 plus, 200.
Then you make a saving.
But
Oh, I'm so happy you saved money.
explain why it's cheap though, because I bought it in a shop where...
Why don't you explain that?
No, you do that.
So you're a member of a subscription club. Another subscription club. Another way to steal your money. Hey, join us club. Spend money of us every month. And then you don't use it. And then you still pay. So you're already out of it.
I will be.
You will be
Say,
out today.
the first month is gratis. After
Okay.
that, it's 80.
So and then the
That's
delivery I know, and then the delivery was free also.
That's why you get the items discounted.
Okay.
But you can cancel anytime.
Okay.
So,
But I think that any time of canceling is now.
yeah.
So
I'm gonna do
another unboxing. Within the unboxing, I will unbox this one right now. I'm so excited. I know what's inside it, but I'm excited still because I'm just excited. Apparently, This is just my life now, unboxing all her crap. I have to say the carbon box is like very cheap. You don't got the feeling of this is a nice product inside. It can also be that they just want to, lean up, oh, we are environment friendly, but I don't think so. Because you got plastic inside it, and that's a wrong signal to send, if that's what you want to do. And I have to say, this one, and it comes with a user manual, and it got this CE mark, meaning that you're allowed to use it in Europe. I don't know how it is in States. And anyway, this product looked and feel very cheap. Which
cost around 100 plus or almost 200, something like that.
For this one,
yeah,
you check the brand.
Yeah. But if you buy these things in that Lux Plus that Deco,
yeah, of course I know the business model, and the business model is very simple. A lot of people will pay subscription, and then they will sell the items with maybe non-profit at all. And then you pay a little bit for shipping, where they make some money on shipping, and they make money of the subscription. So when they got a lot of subscription, a lot of money coming in, because people can buy the product for the bare minimum, right? And maybe they made just a little bit on it, but they don't make the profit that other companies want to do. So that's a business model, and it's going on a lot here in Denmark. There's wine clubs, there's meat clubs where you can buy nice meat to that prices, and you pay a subscription fee. That's a very wide, there's a lot of subscriptions like that. It's going on. And of course also in the States I heard about it, but I never joined any of those because I don't. Right? Then you have a subscription, and then you forget. The only subscription I actually got is for washing the car. I pay around a little more than $10 a month, and I can go to the car wash unlimited. I can go once a day, twice a day if I want to, and then wash my car, because it makes sense. If you just wash your car 2 times a month, it's cheaper, right? And we got windows here, so yeah, that's the only subscription I have because it makes sense. Yeah, that's it. I don't got any more to say. Hey? Oh, I have to show it. Oh, you're so good. You bought all those things.
this one actually is also like really cheap.
Oh, yeah, it's cheap.
Like I think 30 kroner or something.
Yeah. And so nice. Yeah, that's it. That's a buy of today. So, if you got any questions at all, you should ask somebody you know about advice. So you get your questions answered, because I'm not the right one to do that. If you got any problems in life, you should find somebody who could help you. I'm still not the right one to do that. So that's basically this. This is the Hands unboxing video. Something I haven't done for a long time. I'm maybe doing it again. Or maybe don't do it again ever. We don't know that. I'm tired of those boxes coming in this house with stuff that I don't need and don't use. Right? But the wife under this crunchy thing is like, need to get her shopping done, and online is a way to do it, and it makes sense.
We need those. We need vitamins for Corona. We don't have vitamin C anymore.
So you could not buy this in a normal shop? Yes, you could.
Yeah, but it will cost
You could not
more.
buy shampoo in a normal shop? Yes, you
Yeah, but it will cost more.
Okay, so she thinks it's cheap. Okay. Let's hope she's right.
Of course I'm right. I'm always right.
Anyway, the Hands and the annoying voice is gone. We're out of here. Take care and remember, rock on, bitches.